Hello, my name is Julia James, and I'm a career clarity coach. And what that means is that I help you get clear on the career that's truly right for you. I'm so glad you showed up today because you are a gift. You are a gift to the world, and you may not feel it right now, but you truly are a gift. And there's a quote I really love that comes from Dr. Seuss, and it goes like this. This one is true. It's truer than true. There's no one alive that's youer than you. And that is in fact true. And I just love this quote because it's such a simple, fact, but at the same time, we so often forget that actually just you being here brings something that wouldn't otherwise be there. And this is actually why this journey of finding your true calling and finding the career that's truly right for you is so important, because it allows you to really express the gifts that you bring. But first of all, it's really important to accept you and the way you are just right now without having to change anything, to accept yourself as the gift that you are. And so I'm inviting you here to join me in a big self hug, really wrapping yourself as the gift that you are, holding yourself dearly, loving yourself up. You are a gift, and we all are, we all are amazing gifts. And I think we just so easily forget. And so as you're holding yourself in embrace, this may feel very comfortable and very cozy. And it may also bring up a lot of resistance of like, oh no, I'm not good enough, and all those things that may stand in the way of you really accepting yourself as the amazing gift that you are. So just notice what it feels like to be in the self-embrace and to really accept and love yourself just the way you are. Notice the resistance that you're feeling, because that is the edge that we're working with, going from this resistance to full acceptance. And so as you're still in this hug, just notice that you are a gift and that you are in fact also surrounded by gifts. And there's one very obvious one that with every breath you notice that the air we breathe is such a gift. And the water you drink every day is such a gift. And all the nourishment we receive from Mother Earth, all the food that you eat, those are all gifts. And as you allow yourself to look around the room, you may notice many, many more gifts that you are already surrounded by. And now, coming out of the self-hug, allow yourself to open your arms wide and just allow yourself to receive all these gifts. The abundance that's there, that wants to nourish you, that wants to flow into you. Just really allow yourself to open your heart to all the gifts that are around you. And again, this may feel very comfortable, and it may also not feel so comfortable. Maybe you're used to not opening yourself up to receiving that. So just noticing the comfort or the discomfort, and noticing that this may change over time. Because what I'm inviting you is actually to do this on a regular basis, really allowing yourself to take a moment to receive yourself as the gift that you are, and then open yourself to receiving the gifts that are around you. This is really important on your journey to career clarity, to begin embracing yourself as a gift. Because as you do that, you are going to become more and more conscious of the gifts that are within you, the things that you do that other people don't quite do the way you do it, or the things that you see, that you notice, that other people don't quite notice. Those are the gifts. The career that's truly right for you really allows you to give your gifts to the world, and the world needs your gifts. That's why I am so excited to be here and doing this work, because I feel huge transformation is going to happen when everybody steps into this place of recognizing their gift and sharing their gift with the world.